exercise, exercise, exercise. We all need to do more of it. And if you're anything like me, you wake up every morning reminding yourself of that, and then you go to bed every night saying, I didn't have time to do it. So we're gonna take you over to see Dietrich DeJean at DTR Fitness, and he's gonna give us a little bit of inspiration as well as show us a complete transformation by one of his clients. It's early in the morning, I'm dressed, I'm excited, and I'm ready to go because right now I'm here with Dietrich at DTR Fitness. Now Dietrich, you have a specific DTR method that you like to use. Can you explain to us what that's about?
Yes, it's a great method that I put together. It took me 7 years of research and just a bunch of clients going through the programs to burn fat, lose weight, gain strength, and improve their flexibility.
That's a big accomplishment to do all those things.
Absolutely.
So give me an idea, if somebody came down here and they wanted to get started with you, what happens first?
Well, they have to go through initial consults. It's almost like going to a chiropractor or a doctor. So I have to go through a series of assessments, pretty much cue them on getting questions about what their goals are, short-term, long-term, find out what their body composition analysis is, what their body types are, what they need, their diet. There's so many components to it in terms of trying to find out what they really want.
So you're going to customize a program for each individual person based on the method.
It's a lot of personalization and it's very individualized.
Now I have to tell my viewers a story because I've been using the same bookkeeping service for over 10 years, Tyrena Jones at Commercial Bookkeeping, and obviously knowing her for 10 years, I've been watching her for a long time, right? And I have watched you just recently, in the very recent past, completely transform her. I mean, she looks like a whole new person, and I was so impressed. I know I'm not as committed as her, so she worked much harder, and she looks much better.
Yeah, but you still do pretty good.
I try hard, but I'm not as good as she's been, so I'm gonna get better. But I want you to tell us, what do people need to do to have a transformation like Tyrena had? How many times a week? What does that commitment look like?
Okay, so what that commitment looks like, and it's hard for a lot of people to actually think about and believe, but you could get the results in just as little as 2 to 3 sessions a week.
That's not really that many.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
and
that's
you know, the adage of coming in and getting yourself beat up 4, 5, 6 times a week or doing all this crazy stuff, it doesn't, you know, it's pretty much the concept of less is more.
Right.
And through the 7 years of research with that DTR method stuff, and you know, found out a lot of loopholes in terms of trying to get the most result in the least amount of time. Because time is a big thing, especially if you have a busy life. So
absolutely, it is a time commitment.
You don't want to waste your time,
and it pays off. Absolutely. So Dietrich has an ebook coming. It's coming in the very near future. It's going to be a quick, easy read that's going to teach you a lot of information that's going to be useful for you. So we'll keep you updated on that as we go along here on The Plush Life. And Dietrich will return to teach us more, and we'll make the big announcement when the ebook is available. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.